What is Verasity? Have fun staying poor. Welcome to the channel. To all those that are brand new, go ahead and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And most importantly, go ahead and make sure to comment. I really love interacting with everyone. Guys, let's go ahead and get started. Verasity is a rapidly growing cryptocurrency company across the esports, video entertainment and advertising sectors. It has just received a US patent for its proprietary technology that helps eliminate ad fraud, and already has several products earning revenue. Veracity's mission is to significantly increase engagement and advertising revenues for video publishers on any video platform. Veracity's mission is to significantly increase advertising revenues for video publishers on any video platform through its rewarded player and ad stack utilizing its patented protocol layer on the blockchain. Proof of View (POV) is the only protocol layer patented technology for the blockchain. Verasity makes revenues from its use case esportsfightclub.com with subscriptions, commissions on prize pools, video ad revenues and transaction fees, and it will roll out its B2B products later in 2021 to major video platforms. Video publishers are waiting impatiently for the completed beta of the use case on Esports Fight Club to license the modular products from Verasity for their own platforms. Verasity will also be selling its Esports Fight Club NFTs on its own platform as well as on third-party auction platforms with a integration of Proof of View to authenticate the chain of ownership and write it to the blockchain. You guys like this kind of content? Go ahead and make sure like, comment and let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel. Have fun staying poor.